Hello guys, today I will show you how to install if you are not until today, and if you want to install a virtual machine on your PC, if you want to try something to install or Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, or some Windows new developer, and see what is changes, how they are, and so on, because this is virtual machine, and when you install it is not to be something on your real Windows 11. So I will leave you a link in the description. I'm install Vmware to downloads section, and as you see Vmware, and I will run as administrator in the hope that will start. Yes. My PC, I use a laptop, and Camtasia is recording, so my PC is not so strong. But if you have a strong PC, it will be easy peasy. As you see, it's I will show to high performance, but yes, it's go. Let's see. Best performance, but okay. And as you see, it's 17. That is the old. That is the latest version. As you see, Vmware workstation player 17, and leave it to install. Sorry. And as you see, preparing to install, and now just next, agreement accept. Of course we must next the fuel driver reboot feature, tools and system pet next. Startup, join, I don't know, to join, okay, and install, and just little to install. I hope that I enable Hyper-V in the, but I don't know if I'm not sure, and if it be error on my end, couldn't install Vmware, that's the reason will be because I didn't. You must uncheck on your Hyper-V, but we will see now. I hope that will install. So, and guys, you can here install on this Vmware, as here on my desktop. You can install, if you are not if you want to play a little you can install Mac OS on some version, and that thing. And now we'll see, and it's installed. And now we'll see, it will be open. Why is this Vmware workstation, and why is it useful? It's useful because today we have lots of update, and if you are on Windows Insider, and you can read, and on some version in the 7 days it came out. Now we have in Canary Dev 4, we have came out 7.8 update to Windows on 7 days. And where to install? You can read, go to site and read what's the new, or install, but nobody not install. Before I was install but beta channel, and stay on beta channel, and it was really stable for me, and it was great. With this Canary I don't do that never again. And beta, and when we'll go down Insider Preview, I always go to and check back to Insider Preview update, and that's it. Today it's not possible. So as you see, Vmware is here. I hope it will be open. Use for me, and finish. And as you see, it's work. And so that's home. And now when you want to create virtual machine or open virtual machine, to go to here. And if you have let's say that what I'm talking about, if I have dev channel some, I can choose it and just install, and I can talk about and what's new and show you on my desktop. And that's the point of this virtual machine. I don't have now any, but I will try with it now to latest dev channel and show you what is new. And guys, that will be all for now. I will leave link in the description. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and watch my videos preview. You will see what's new on the latest versions, because it's too much version. I use this, and this is my version. See now. And trust me, it's really great version. 226.1.1413. now have 1555, but I don't know. This is great. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Like I said, please subscribe, like, share, and watch my previous videos. Maybe will be something helpful for you. And bye.